Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today we got the Q1000 Weber barbecue. Now, when you take it out of the box, just remember right on the bottom, this grate is underneath a big piece of cardboard. So don't forget to take that out. Yeah, it's right on the bottom. So anyway, okay, so this here, the lid, and it's going to take some assembling right out of the box. So you get all the parts and everything right here. Then you've got looks like stickers. Yeah, stickers there. Take that out, and then the instructions are all inside here. There's the burner right there, and let's get it together. Okay, so these here come with the unit. Now these are the pins for your hinges for the lid to the main unit. I've elected to put my spring pins on the inside, so just in case you rub your arm on that or something, you won't scratch yourself. Okay, now the handle, this requires you to put in these spacers. Now I believe it feels like it's ceramic or something, so it doesn't transfer heat from the lid to the plastic handle. And this does require a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so that's the star. All right. Okay, so once your screws are in, and you can put this the screws in with the lid down or partially up or all the way up, doesn't matter. All right, there's your Phillips screwdriver. And now gently tighten those. Don't firm it up so you don't break anything or strip anything. Okay, the lid is on. This is the drip pan. Now this slides right inside these little slots here, and it actually just stays in there. You can leave it in there all the time and just take out this aluminum replacement if you want. So it's up to you what you want to do, and you can replace that, I'm sure, kind of anywhere. It looks like, so what, 5x7 or 8 or 6x8 or whatever they is. I didn't measure it, but yeah. Another thing I wanted to say is it comes with this sheet right here. You can hit that and do your warranty with Weber. All right, now for the instructions, it does have the 1000 right in front, so you've got the instructions right here if you need them. Okay, we're going to throw these grates in now. It comes with 2 grates. Make sure you got the side properly. That's supposed to go up. And I was just going to say, when you open this lid, it does use the lid to just hold on to the hinge itself. So there's no spring or nothing like that. So that's what I just wanted to say about that. All right, these grills go in here like this. And the other one goes in like this. And there you have it. All right. Now, the electronic igniter doesn't require a battery. It doesn't say it requires a battery. I can't get it out to see if there's a battery, but it says it doesn't have to have one. So we're going to deal with that. The propane hooks up right here, and there's your regulator. And you can actually screw on a small bottle here. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use off a propane bottle right there. So I'm going to run a hose from there to there, and let's get that done. All right, we got our propane hooked up, and we got the hose running right to there. Now let's see if she lights up. Okay, so you just push this knob in, turn it to wherever you want. I'm going to put it on high. Let's see what happens. I can hear the propane coming out, so let's hit that igniter. Yeah, it's lit. You can't hear it or see it, sorry, but you can sure feel it. Yep, she's on. All right, now next thing I'm going to do is put the grates on. I'm going to turn that off now. Let's put that over like that, and it says off. So let's put the grates on, and I'm going to burn that thing off a little bit and get it ready for barbecuing. All right, the grates are in. I'm going to turn this thing on. I'm going to burn it off for the first time, and then we're going to do some cooking with it. And there she goes. You can't see the fire. It's really, yeah, there's no fire at all. But I'm going to get this thing nice and hot and burn off the grate, from the manufacturer stuff and the lid. All right, took a piece of fat, got it on the grill, get it all up on there like that. Now we're going to throw the steaks on, man. All right, steaks are sizzling. Let's see how it goes. All right, there's the first flip. Seems like it's The heat is nice and even. But yeah, we'll see what the end result is. All right, we got medium rare. That's coming off. We've got probably well. There's a medium rare, and well. All right, we're ready to go. No flare-ups, no nothing. All right, there's the end result. I'm gonna scrape her off and get her done.